Senivusela maswati lamahle nalamhla nzambama ekusilamhla sithi stophe tribute nathi sibungule impilo yokuphila kwaThulani Rudolph Maseko lo washiya emhlabeni mhla ka-21 January 2022. Inhliziyo yethu ke tsebhlungu vele ngithini nje labanye nakushaya January asajabule akusiwo ukuthi sajabuliswa tikolo tebantwana but nje sajabule ukuthi ngalesikhathi lesathola ingcingo kusuku kwaba kuqala kokuhlupheka nokuva ubuhlungu kwethu ngalolwanga but ke lamhla sikho lapho ethenene asitokhumbula impilo yanalichawa Maseko sibamchazile labanengi hayi nje ukuthi abe ngumholi kuphela we-MDM abephinze nje abe indvodza yemangu letilungele le humble noma bofikele ekhaya kubo la ahlala khona kaluhleko awufika uve ngalabantu lahlala nabo laphilisana nabo ukuthi indvodza lenjani le so ke Maseko kunengi umlakuthethe wakufunza kuye even though usheshe wahamba Maseko ngoba besinawo ama plans lebe siwabuka sibukisana ukuthi impilo siyithatha siyibhekisa up kuphila kwakhe Maseko nokuthi impact la indile ku society bengakanani sitawukhumbula ke maswati lamahle ukuthi Maseko ushona nje ungushaphesini wa MSF aphinze abe executive director lakithi ka-Ideal imisebenzi lenda with diligence and integrity at the time nalamhla sikhala sakhe siyabona wala wonke lo organizations engikhuluma ngawo ngifuna ke sikuconze lamhla maswati lamahle ukuthi Thulani akazange nje alale nsamba amavuke kuseni akhona kwenda lemisebenzi with so much diligence and integrity nale gluke yakhe ukuthi akhona nje kuhlanganisa abantu laba nemicondolo ehlukene nalabangavani but abahlanganise Thulani lihlala emhlanganweni kusukela ngo9 zenyophuma ngo6 nzambama kube bede lo ebhala omnye noma ubhawa msasitulo ngakhathe endlini that on its own excuse me was an attribute lebe nayo Maseko yena lamuhla umnakahle tethu nacabanga silombeka yena njani lento le awukhona but ke ngifuna sikuconze lamhla ngifuna silanze lokuthi Thulani uyiqala lento ngoba Thulani akazange nje avuke kusena bangilo wangena process walalela iprocess walenza iprocess maswati kata ukhumbula ukuthi la ngwane sike saba nenhlangano lokwakuthi iSDA inhlanganisela emaswati onke nje nema organizations kubukisana kule political level siyithatha siyibhekisa yasilungela envele iswazi Democratic Alliance ke kwakuleyo nhlangano lebe yakhe ngaleso sikhathi lebefaka wonke Thulani was part of that process at the time kwakune lawyers for human rights and he was part of the leadership of that organization young as he was and he was very energetic at the time nje ngikhumbula kahle lokuthi sina relationship yethu iqala kuchakaza use-officeini la Paul Shilubane at the time sinetinkinga ke lemisebenzini ngoba ngangu-union mina le-Big Band kwakungena ke bekasida kakhulu Maseko ahamba up and down nala nje ku-union trade union in terms of federation abegijimana jana naseulikhuni futhi ngiyena mmelo besathi kusinoma ungamshayela ebusuku umtshele ethi kusasa sesine-agent application abevukwa Maseko wabhala emaphepha ngakusasa nawufika embabane somkhanze emaphepha saredi senicala kusebenza ngiloko lengithi ngifuna ukulanza lokho ukuthi nakho SDA abe khona uMaseko Maseko lenye into lekufuna siyiconze maswati lamahle abe nginangumholi ongathanzi lokutigqamisa ngako nje nase bacala kwebhana abaholi ngiloyafuna lo ngiloyafuna umpopho ongeke umkhanze Thulani lapho cha bese ushobele umva kudonzele umvatha sambe siyoma lapha bese nimaphasa esihlahla ke soyabukela abeza sonzele sebambita kusose sidinga Maseko ubuyitho sichacha bese uyasonzela Siyabadinga ke abantu abafana noThulani esikhathini lesifana nalesi ngoba le nto yekuba baholi labafuna ukugcama kude la kutasifikisa khona ekugcineni kwakhona umholi ungumholi ngemsebenzi yakhe akusiko kwaphinde kwaba nenhlangano ke-NCA, National Constitutional Assembly. La kule nhlangano lena kwaMaseko abesisita kubukisa lokuthi ngoba nakho phela sesine constitution. Ngitipike leti ngondle kufuna sibuke nasakha i-constitution ngoba thina la kangwana besingathi nalokho si-constitution yini, i-national constitution yini ngoba into lesingazange sesibe nayo samuka nga-68. Labanye bethu babesengadalwa at the time. So leyo nhlangano yayibuka lokho kangangokuba ke lo mkhakha lo waMaseko wawuthatha wazwafika ekuthenini we should draft and have a draft ye-alternative constitution. Lesinayo nalamuhla leyo draft lesayakha ku-NCA inhlanganisela yemibono yetinhlangano nebantu nemaswati nje lahlukahlukene. Kwasisita ke lo ngoba kwasinoma sekuphuma le constitution leyaphuma 2005 sabeka lethu eceleni sabuka nale sabuka ke letihibe sase siyakhona ke kuphanje emaholo sekule kungakona lamhla solo sikhala ngayo le constitution le. Kwase kuthi 2008 before the birth of the SUDF was a United Democratic Front. Thulani was there before the birth before the elective conference in 2008 at Thomas George Hotel. Kwaqala kwaba ne-steering committee sayena lo SUDF sahlala phasi kubukiswana ukuthi sisebenza njani ke towards the conference. Nekwekuthi ke nakunemisebenzi lethi ngayi SUDF ngiyiso leso steering committee lesitawuhlala sibuke ukuthi sisebenza njani kuyembili. Thulani was part of that leadership. Kwakulukhulu ke nami ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bangikhona kuleyo leadership. Ngiyakhumbula nje ukuthi kuleso steering committee kwakunamadoda lalukhulu man. Engangiwashe amagama but nje kwakumadimi kwakazinto lelula. So I'm trying to give you background yokuthi ubuya happy Thulani uphekwe kuphi waphekwa njani ukuze abe ngilendo lesithi lamuhla beyiglue Thulani abe unify. Wakucala kathena uMaseko khona nje le indoda sathi sikulomnye umhlangano la steering committee yasukuma yathi yasigruma la kulomhlangano sakwata safa nemngane wami nje mkazi nobani bonke sesingakhulunywa nguwe. But those are the funny times we had with Maseko. But he will never then move ngaloko ukuthi so ukwatile so yashisa umhlangano bese uyaphuma esandleni. Sisakonda konke ke lokho yes wadalwa eSUDF by 2008. Again Maseko ngalokho sivela bengathandi kuhlala empini. Washobela nje khona lapho. Wachubeka ke wavusa i-IDEAL Institute for Democracy and Leadership. Nabomandla Mkhonazi bayisumsapasi because at the time we could see ukuthi there's a serious need for leadership training. Leadership not in the sense yokuba manager emsebenzini, but leadership in terms of ukuhola and ukuhola abantu. Because sasesiwabonile lama flaws etinveletineng. So he took that initiative with with Bo Mandla Mkhonazi and some other comrades labangasekho emhlabeni. Now, fast forward to MSF. Taloka MSF ke naloko nasesifika la bantu abaningi bese bathi sikhulume manga kunjani njani cha asinokulwa thina lokho. Kuloko kwethu sikufocusa la kufanele kubeke khona. Asinodibanga into ledingeko lo umcuka nge-MSF Maswati Lamadle Maseko thina ka-IDEAL as board we gave him a secondment ukuthi ahambe acherishe lama processes ama-discussions lebekendeka ngaleso sikhathi before kuze kufikwe naloko ukuthi sekune multi-stakeholder forum. Lawo ma-discussions nje nakacala kubukiswana ukuthi ngibani ke lo utawucherisha le process the chairmanship yaniketwa ideal as an organization, and Sine we seconded to Maseko be the rightful chair for the forum. And he took that with both hands. He had his own frustrations, he had his own misgivings about the process. But lokuhle ngamaseko leto tinto leto abengahamba titshela noma ngangibani. Abebuya nje sihlale phansi sikhulumisane with those individuals acabanga ukuthi he can confide to them. Nako ngilokunye lengingakufunza kakhulu kumaseko. Bongeke umkhanza memeda samemeda kwayabantu. Nakhona into lengamphathi kahle bechuza nje few people ahlale nabo phasi akhulumisane nabo bese kuphuma likhambe. Nabo MSF angisho lokho ukuthi usebenze kahle umsebenzi wakhe MSF. Isikhala sakhe siyabonakala namhla nalokho. Lokukhulu la kwenda Thulane nafika ke MSF. MSF at the time kwakungasiwe nama organizations lebeka khona kwakuthiwe nje ama organization nemaswati. So you can imagine isimami bengiloko lebengiko ngaleso sikhathi. Okunye lengicela ukuveta ngiloko ukuthi abehlangana noma ngangibani Thulane. Wathi nje ufuna umhlangano naye ukuthi ukuphi ukhashane kangakanani, we'll make sure he'll come and meet you and have my discussions. Umuntu nje zokumbuteka kunayile ngengayithinze ekucaleni ukuthi Thulane would sometimes lead from the back. Mina ke ngisebenzile naye uMaseko. Ngiyakhumbula nje kahle nasiyo deliver petition lapha eMelikeni la eZulwini. Bese kunetha kofu leadership. And Maseko akazange afuna kuvela. Wavela nje wahlala phansi esihlahla. Sabukela yonke le process yaze yawufika ekugcineni. But lengukhumbulayo lapho kwazi noma sekulimala abantu badutshulwa sisuka lapha eMelikeni sibheka lapha ngakalubamba. Nguyilo waphinzwa bakuqala sesilayisha abantu sibamixe edibhedlela lapho. That's the type of person we have lost ku society. And angathi lokho ukuthi kutawuthathana ukuze ukuthi simthola umuntu ofana naye, but my one remains hopeful. Within MSF Maswati Lamahle Maseko akazange nje ahlala kuphela kule organization ya MSF. We'll go out and consult each and every person, even outside the pits of law MSF. I recall very well nje sake sadiscussa indzaba ukuthi MSF kufuna ekubantu kufuna siyele esivele siyokhulumana leSAFE. Saya nje kuma community dialogues eNcumbi cabanga ngikhumbula kahle sagcina sesivala kuyinye nasithi siye ebuhleni sakhanza kunemasotsha lelaba sithi siye khona baskiphisana lelo tendele bese livele lifakiwe. Because that is the impact he was ku society. He would go there, have a meeting with the people, alalele nalokusabantu bathi abengafika baskule bantu so yalo sendeni now no. Thulane will just come there athi no uthi introduce usibobani sibuyapi ngithi lesenda 1 2 and 3 sidela kini sidolalela dithini dikhalote njengamaswati bese uhlala phansi sihlala phansi siyabhala ukuthi athina amaswati. I think that was powerful. Umntwana Maseko, amongst other things they were ngambulalela tona is that because Maswati they were opening up. I remember nasiqala sayengwembisi ngalamangayana Maswati avuleke emehlo akhuluma sahamba sayale ndasi eshiselweni Maswati akhuluma besaya nasemotshana dinenge letinzawo lesahamba kito. Lokunye ke la kwenda uMaseko ngikhumbula kahle wa initiate umhlangano between nakawucala lo mhlangano sasingi-3 ku MSF nasiya kiwo edengawasho amagama but just sasingi-3 sawuhlangana nema MPs ngikhumbula kahle lokuthi ahlangana nalama MPs lang3 bo MP Bacede Mabuza, MP Mthandeni Dube na MP Makaukau. Simelane sahlangana nabo lapha kuMatsapa. Ntsambama nje sahlangana mbela sakhuluma tindzaba. Ngikhumbula kahle ngilokuthi discussion we had to evolve around noma ngete ngakusho lokusema contents abethini, but nje I'm trying to give you the background ukuthi tulane will go at length to go and meet people from the other side. Nalaba lesithi thina about demonized ngoba sebangama MPs, tulane will go there and meet them and discuss with them. Of course, we will not go to laba thina bas demonize, no. But laba funa kukhuluma nathi, you will go there and talk to them. I remember futhi at one time kukhona lo munye ambassador lo wasibuta ukuthi nanganilungisela umhlangano nabani ngingavuma wasithulana noma ngathi kusasa noma nyalo Nzambama. Ungazivumela nje sithathe 30 minutes siyoshintsha emasheti sisule emakhwapha sibuye siyohlangana naye. Just tell us wena ukuthi usifuna nini, because we know what we want and we know what that's in. And we would like to give that discussion to that person. But he died singakafiki lapho umngane wami zange sikhona besolo siyithola leyo feedback kuleyo diplomat. Bengize lapha ekseneni ngwelo uinitiation umhlangano wethu nema MPs lang3 na uma MPs akuthawasela kwase kuba nemihlangano ke leminye lesase sibanayo. It was about the collective. And emhlanganweni nasakhona sesibanenge ngomaseko abafike nje avule lo mhlangano washo objective yalo mhlangano bese uvulela ama discussions and siyabdinga umuntu ofana naye we're lacking bantu abafana naye and I think vele lalaba sishaba sihlaya inhloko because indlela bekade ngamntwana Maseko nanoma ngangibani ngisho salukwadi le bese le eshiselweni besisheshe simbone ukuthi lo mntwana lo ngathi ukhuliseke kahle. Ngiloko nje lengithi ngifuna ukuchaza ngamaseko ukuthi uzofika nje la ku-MSF uphekiwe and wavuma nalokuphekwa. Nasigcina nje siba nemhlangano nema MPs. I think ama MPs lebakakhona at the time abela about 12 noma 13 nema leaders of political parties and leaders of civil society.